Check and make sure that we have the things we need. I don't want to have to go out and come back. HD Mega, good. We got the hitch on there. Good. I just want to make sure one of these will fit in. We got what we need.
All right, let's go. All right, guys. So we are going to do a new product review today and show you guys what we got for this week. But first, we're gonna take a little drive. This is Tony and Robert with Carr Products, and today we're going to be going over 3 hitch steps that Carr Products makes.
Let's go check it out. What's up, guys? So let's go ahead and look at some of these products. Right here we have the Carr HD hitch step. I'll go into more details as they get on the hitch. We have the Carr Mega Step. This one's a little bigger. Okay. And we got the Carr HD Mega Step. This is the biggest one that we manufacture so far.
Alright, so we're going to be installing them in the back of the hitch to kind of show you the whole installation process. Straightforward. If you ever hooked up a hitch before, same old process.
So let's go ahead and go over the HD hitch step. This fits into 2-inch and 2.5-inch receivers with an adapter. So all you gotta do, insert it into the hitch, get your pin, lock it in, you're good to go. So this application is rated at 500 pounds capacity. It has a 5-inch by 4-inch step area on here. So for instance, let's say you gotta grab your Mega Step out of the back of the vehicle. Instead of having to lean over the tailgate, step way up, all you gotta do is take down your hitch step, step up, grab your step, easy as that, and you're good to go. All right, while we're at it, let's go ahead and put this one in. Okay, this is the Carr Mega Step. This is a 6.5 inches depth, 14-inch wide step. This is made for industrial commercial use. Very big step. Let's see how this looks. Same thing, it fits on 2-inch to 2.5-inch receivers with an adapter. This is rated at 500 pounds, so let's see how it looks.
Nice.
Now, lastly, we're gonna look at the HD Mega Step. So, as you can see, almost the same, except this one's designed with hand railings inside to be used on your vehicle. You can either use it in the hitch, or there's a flat mount version that you can actually mount onto the side of a service body vehicle, or you can use this as a step ladder, like that. So let's go ahead and see how it looks on there. Okay, so as you can see, this is more of an aggressive tread design with the HD Mega Step. This is an 8-inch or 8-inch depth by 14-inch width. Really big step area, big enough for both feet to fit on easily. Really easy way to get into the back of your vehicle. Down, step off, and push it up when you don't. Also, what's nice about the HD version is you have an optional light source right here. It's a pre-drilled area. Not on this version, but there is another version that comes with a light source in case you have maybe some nighttime use or you need it for the back of your vehicle. We also have an option for that too.
If you want to check out any of these products and you want like information on pricing, please go to www.carr.com, and that's Carr with 2 R's, CARR.com. Stay tuned for more videos, and if you haven't, subscribe to our Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter account. All right, guys, we'll catch you guys next time.